Hi, this is Jamal Ahmed. I live in Bishanath in Sylhet, which is a famous and holy city in Bangladesh, for the shrine of Hazrat Shah Jalal and Shah Paran Rahmatullahi Wasallam. Apart from that, Sylhet city is renowned for the produce of highest amount of tea and gas in our country. I have completed my BBA and MBA program in accounting from Sylhet International University, and I have completed my IELTS course from HASAN'S Academy, and also I have done my IELTS care course from there, and which is situated at Chowata in Sylhet. I would like to talk about my given topic. I do not get easily bored, and but lately I caught up in a situation. About a couple of years ago, I went to Dhaka with my uncles, and when we are coming back from Dhaka by bus, and at that time, unfortunately, we stuck in a huge traffic. So my uncle was so tired, and he was sleeping in a seat, and I was surfing internet by using my smartphone, and after passing 1 hour, my phone got switched off. And that time the weather was really warm, and it was really unbearable to me. And at that time I found myself alone, because my uncle was sleeping, and everyone was unknown to me. So I tried to kill my time by using different things, and I tried to recall my old sweet memories, and in this way I cope up the situation. And but due to the unbearable weather, I was really annoyed, and I was really get bored, and it was the first time I faced those time. I had the bad experience about the boredom. So that's all about my topic. Well.